Alright, so today we're going to do a little something different. Instead of looking at an individual trade idea, we're going to look at how Katana's dashboard can help you identify multiple opportunities in a particular industry. European bank bonds have experienced an unprecedented rally over the past 2 months thanks to the easing of coronavirus lockdowns and aggressive actions from the European Central Bank. According to iTrack indices, the annual cost for senior bank debt insurance for 10 million euros against default over 5 years went from 47,000 euros on February 18th to 163,000 euros on March 18th. On June 5th, that cost came back to 67,000 euros. If we look at subordinated bank debt insurance, that went from 97,000 euros on February 18th to 344,000 euros on March 18th. By June 5th, that cost came back down to 148,000 euros. As spreads in bank debt revert back to pre-crisis levels, Katana identified 4 bank debt issues with Z-spreads that were higher than its peers. The Raiffeisen 24s, Opbank 22s, NIBC 24s, and Hamburg Commercial Bank 22s flash buy signals on the dashboard on June 15th. Each issue had a high number of buy recommendations, which deserve further investigation. The setup page reveals that all issues are 500 million in size, except for the NIBC 24s, which are 300 million. All bonds were issued in 2019, with the exception of the Opbank 22s, which were issued in 2012. The Hamburg 22s and the Raiffeisen 24s are senior preferreds, while the NIBC 24s are senior non-preferreds, and the Opbank 22s are subordinate. As we can see, the Opbank 22s ramped up from 40 basis points to a high of 163 basis. The spread then slowly drifts down to 120 basis, not having the dramatic tightening as other names. The Hamburg 22s took off from 45 basis points to 263 basis, then dramatically fell back down to 89 basis points and then actually widened out to 196 basis. The NIBC 24s have shown a similar widening trend in May and June. Spreads have risen from 200 basis points in mid-April to 240 basis points today. The Raiffeisen 24s have slowly stabilized from their peak of 172 basis points to 138 basis points today. Now, if you'd like to look at the individual trade ideas on each name, then sign up for a free trial.